Hello, my dear lovely learners. How are you all? I hope you all are doing very well. So, today, what we are going to start? Here you can see on your screen, we are going to start a new chapter. And the name of this new chapter is our continent and our ocean. Okay, so this is our third chapter. I hope you all revised chapter number 1 and chapter number 2. Okay, about our earth, about our solar system. Okay, so in this chapter, we are going to see about our continents, how many continents are present on our planet Earth, how many oceans we have on planet Earth. Okay, so are you ready to start this chapter? Come, let's start this chapter. Now, my dear children, our Earth is a very big. Okay, as you all know, our Earth is very big. We take the help of globes and maps to study it. Okay, so in class second, I hope the concept of globe and maps is clear to you all. Okay, so our earth is very big and it is not possible for us to study them. Okay, so we take the help of globe and map, okay, to study our planet earth. Okay, now let's start. Globe. Now what is the meaning of globe? A globe is a model of the earth. Okay, a globe is a model of the earth. It is like a big ball and shows the round shape of the earth. Globe is just like a big ball. Okay, globe is just like a big ball and it shows that the shape of the earth is at any given time you can only see one edge of the globe. Okay, anytime. Okay, whenever you are looking at any time you can only see one side of the globe. It is not possible that at one go you can view all sides of the globe. This is not possible. Okay, to view the other side you have to turn it. In the image below, two halves of the globe in a form of the map is shown. Okay, so if you want to see the other portion of the globe, what you have to do? You have to turn this globe. Okay, they are differentiated by two colors. Blue represents the water bodies while yellow denotes the land masses. So my dear children, whenever you see globe, you can see there are two colors, yellow and blue. Okay, now what is the meaning of yellow colored and blue colored? Let's have a look. See, this is your globe. Okay, and this blue color shows the water bodies which is present on our planet earth, and this yellow color shows the land masses, the land bodies which is present on our planet earth. Okay, see, thus the earth's surface is made up of land masses and water bodies. Now I hope this concept is clear to you. Our earth is made up of two huge bodies, means land and water. Now we are going to talk about continents and oceans. The large land masses on the earth are called as continent. Now what is the meaning of continent? The large land masses. Okay, the large body of land masses which is present on our planet earth is termed as continent. Okay, so in class second you already learned about the name of those continents. On our planet earth there are total 7 continents. Okay, there are total 7 continents. So the name of these continents are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Antarctica and Australia. Okay, so which is the largest continent on this planet earth? It is your Asia. And which is the smallest continent? It is your Australia. Okay, so my dear students, what is the meaning of continent? The meaning of continent is the large and huge body of land which is present on our planet earth is termed as continent. There are total 7 continents. The name of those 7 continents: North America, South America, Europe, Antarctica, Australia, Africa and Asia. Okay, now which is the largest continent of the planet earth? Your Asia. And which is the smallest continent of this planet earth? It is your Australia. Okay, now this is all about continent. Now we are going to talk about ocean. So what is the meaning of ocean? See, a vast body of water on earth is called as ocean. If the large and huge body of land is called as continent, similarly the large and huge water bodies which covered our planet earth are called as oceans. Okay, the other smaller bodies are called seas, bays and gulf. Okay, along with these oceans there are other smaller body of water is present on our planet earth named as sea, gulfs, bays. Okay, now how many oceans are present in our planet earth? As you can see, there are 5 oceans. Okay, the name of those 5 oceans are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and Antarctic Ocean. Sometime it considered that as there are total 6 oceans. Okay, and the sixth ocean is your Southern Ocean. Okay, but we leave those Southern Ocean. So there are 5 major oceans present in our planet Earth. And which is the largest ocean? The Pacific Ocean is your largest ocean. Okay, see, you can see here, this is the picture of our planet Earth. It shows these are your continents. Okay, these all are your continents, and this is your water bodies. Okay, now let's move further. A globe help us to learn many things about the earth. Now, why we use globe? Because globe help us to learn, okay, to get the information about our planet earth. It tells us the exact shape and relative size of the continent and ocean. However, because of its small size, it cannot show all locations on earth. Okay, now globe tell us the exact shape and size of our planet earth. Okay, and it gives us the information about our planet earth. But you know what, it is not possible to show each and every information on the globe. Okay, then how we are going to get smaller details about our planet earth? Here comes the concept of maps. Okay, after maps we take help, after globe we take help of maps. Now, what is the meaning of maps? Let's see. If we want to show all places, we will have to make a big globe. Okay. Now, if we want to show each and every place, each and every information about our planet Earth, then we must make a very, very, very huge globe. Okay. We cannot carry such a big globe with us, but we can make a huge a huge number of globe. But it is possible to carry that huge globe with you whenever you are traveling? No, it is not possible. Then how it is possible to show all the places of planet earth? Okay, so we take the help of maps. Okay, which can be carried and folded easily. In fact, we can write or draw anything on the map. Okay, now maps are very easily carried, okay, from one place to another place. Okay, now what is the meaning of map? A map is the drawing of the earth or a part of it drawn on a flat surface. Okay, now what is the meaning of earth? The meaning of earth is drawing of the earth or the part of the earth on a plain sheet of a paper. Okay, the maps are of different kind. As you all know, there are different kinds of map. There are political maps, there are physical maps. Now, what is the meaning of political map? The meaning of your political map is, political map shows the countries, states, cities, etc. Okay, through political map you can mark the boundary between any two areas. Okay, you can mark the state, you can mark the cities, you can mark the road, railways. Okay, now what is the meaning of physical map? Okay, physical map shows the landsforms such as mountains, plateaus, plains, etc. If on political map we are marking the natural boundary between two states, two countries, okay, between the two continents, cities, etc. and etc. Then on the other hand side, on physical map we can mark the rivers, the plains, the plateaus, the mountain ranges, the lakes. Okay, which all are the natural trees. They are natural things. They are not man-made. Okay, on political map we draw the things usually constructed by man. But on the other hand side, on physical map we mark only natural things. Okay, here you can see, this is your political map of India and this is your physical map of India. On political map of India, there are the state along with their capitals, along with their other informations marked. But on the physical map, you can see the land, the plateau, the mountain which are present on our India. Now, some maps are quite large, like wall maps, while others are organized in the form of book. A book containing map is called an atlas. Okay, see, some maps are very large. Okay, some maps are very large, like the map which we can hang on the wall. Okay, and there comes the concept of atlas. What is the meaning of atlas? The collection of the map. Okay, atlas is a book in which there are political and physical map collections are collected. Okay, to locate place on a map, we take the help of directions. Okay, so if we want to mark any place or any area, or we want to get exact location, then we take the help of directions. Okay, there are four main directions, as you all know, my dear students. There are four main directions: east, west, north and south. When you stand facing the map, the upper end is the north and the lower end is the south. Okay, my dear children, whenever you are when you are stand facing the map, okay, suppose here I am standing and in front of me there is a map. It means it is a north south. It is a north side. Okay, it is a north south, and behind that north south there is a south side. Okay, and in my right there is east, and in my right direction there is a east, and in my left direction there is a left. Okay, this direction help us to locate the continent, oceans, countries and even cities. Now, why we need the help of direction? We need help of the direction because through directions we can mark the location of continents, oceans, countries, even the cities. Okay, Ptolemy was one of the greatest geographer and astronomer of ancient time. My dear students, in ancient time, okay, means an ancient time there was a great geographer. Okay, in ancient world there was a great geographer and a great astronomer. Okay, in ancient world there was a great geographer and great astronomer named Ptolemy. Okay, he draw the map of England. Okay, he draw the map of England. Here you can see he is Ptolemy. He was Ptolemy. Okay, Ptolemy was a great geographer and astronomer of his time. He draw the map of England. He wrote a book titled Geography, and he also wrote a book named as Geography, which opens with the theory of map projection. Okay, this book contains 26 colored maps and map of the world, but he underestimated the size of the ocean. Okay, Ptolemy. Why Ptolemy was considered as a great geographer and astronomer? Because in ancient world, Ptolemy was a great geographer and astronomer because he drew the map of England. Okay, he drew the map of England. He also wrote a book named as Geography. Okay, and in that book we can see there are 26 colored maps. Okay, means Ptolemy not only draw the map of England, he not only wrote a book named as Geography, he even draw 26 map, means 26 colored maps. Okay, but he underestimated the size of the ocean. But you know what? Ptolemy underestimated the size of the ocean. Means in his map you can see the large land masses. Like he draw 26 maps, but he underestimated the size of the ocean. Okay, we can draw a map of each continent or country or town. Now, my dear students, we can draw the map of any continent in any country. Let us look at the map of the Asia. Here you can see there is a map of Asia given. Many countries are shown on it. Our country India is also in Asia. It is the southern part of the Asia. Now, my dear students, here you can see this is the map of Asia. Okay, in this map of Asia you can see there are the many countries are present, like Russia. Okay, like Russia, India, Pakistan, Philippines, China, Mongolia, Taiwan, Japan. All these are part of our Asian continent. Okay, our India is also part of the Asian continent, but in which direction it lies in the southern part of the Asia. So my dear student, this is all about in this chapter. Okay, now here comes your work. Go thoroughly through this chapter and complete the exercise based on this chapter. Okay, I will meet with you all in our next session with a new topic. Okay, till then, take very good care of yourself. Bye.